Hey Wanderers! Welcome back again to my channel. So for today's vlog, I'm heading to IKEA Alexandra. Going there, I took the train and alight at the Red Hair station and took a bus which is 120 and 30. You can also alight at Commonwealth station and take a bus as well. So welcome to IKEA! I'm really excited to see what are the current plans that they have right now. So guys, let's go and have fun watching my vlog. So first stop, this section is actually for the artificial plants, flowers, and some gardening tools or materials. This area is all for the pots, from big one to small ones with variety of colors that you can choose. So there's a pastel, black and white, or even a normal pots. So it's up to you guys, what pots do you really like? And guys, they have also rattans and baskets. So if you are really into this kind of pots, then this is a good for you. There's also a lot of metal and aluminum pots. So it really depends to your preference what you guys are really want. Here are the other choices for artificial plants and pots. So just enjoy and choose whatever you want. And remember and take note that it's kind of cheap as well. It starts from 90 cents up to $20 for each pots. And you can see there's a lot of choices like what I've said. So if you want the silver one, the gold one, or the pinkish color one, so I guess it's really your preference. Take note guys, because it's a perfect timing. Few buyers and shoppers are here in IKEA, so you can select, you can choose, or you can just walk around freely because not so crowded. And yes, social distancing is real, so be careful and be aware when you are going outside, especially when you are buying something. Yes, another thing is that you always wear your mask. That's a mandatory. And there you go, these are the real plants and cactuses. Oh my god, it's really nice guys. They are so lovely that you wanted to grab them all. And guys, look at these exquisite orchids. Really wow, they are really blooming. It's kind of expensive, however, I think it's worth to buy. But by the way, Singapore's national flower is these lovely orchids, so take note on that. Then the price range of these plants actually is not really expensive. I think it starts from $4 and up. It depends on the sizes, like for the small to middle or to big one, I think yeah, it really depends on it. But these small ones, I guess it's $2, $4, $6, $7, and $8. So I think it's worth to buy as well because it's really healthy and it really depends on how you're taking care of your plants. I think from my last video or from my last vlog, I discussed also some of the tips on how you are going to take care of your plants, like a caring tips. Yes, so continuation of these orchids, right? It's really nice. These orchids is perfectly can design or put into your living room or to dining area or any side tables, I guess, because it's really nice. including these cactuses. So, kind of cute. Then, I really can't decide which one I need to buy or choose, left or right. And see this fiddle leaf. Wow, so beautiful. And even this palm tree and this yucca tree. Wow, I want them. But yeah, they are too big and tall to carry back home, so I have no choice just to see and touch them. I really want them so badly. But I need to think also whether I need to buy them and where can I put them in my room or in the house. So yeah, let me think about it first before I hoarding or holding these trees or these plants. So yeah, guys, just enjoy watching and walking around with me. To be honest, guys, going here to IKEA, this is one of my favorite sections. I can see plants, I can breathe stress-free than just looking and just thinking of them. So relaxing and yeah, I can feel nature. So guys, there you have it. And yes, I bought this monstera plant. And thank you for joining me and walking around with me to my plant tour at IKEA. So this is my new addition to my plants collection. So guys, thank you and have a nice day. See you guys again on my next vlog. And don't forget to subscribe, like, watch my videos. Okay? Annyeong, sayonara, or paalam.